So we are cleaning out my fridge, and I thought I'd start with the door. Take everything out, wash it, and come on. Have sun-dried my poppy because I love poppy. My husband's orange. He loves that. I'm going to put our lime juice in here just because we use this on a daily basis. Alright. Let's get in here. I'd say we work on that door. My fridge is hating me right now. We have a ranch. Oh shit. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, I just bought that. Both of them.
No, look.
Oh.
Obviously, I don't know what happened here. I don't really know what spilled, but we have caught it now. I'll just start handing it to you and you can start dumping. We do have my... So, I was drinking coffee and I was able to drink coffee, and then now all of a sudden I can't anymore. Milk. So I'm going to put the milk right up front. It's just... I don't know, he's a milk drinker. I'm not much of a milk drinker. I don't drink this as much, so I'm going to put it in the back. Knowing it's in the back. In the front a little bit. I'm going to see if I can... There you go. Zoom you guys out a little bit. Trying to think how to clean this back in properly. We have some brie cheese. I'm going to put that on top with some sour cream. We're going to continue with the feta. Just keep it here because I know that I will eat it. Same with the ravioli. Excuse me. Oh my god, I just hate you guys. I think the sour cream needs to be eaten first before I open the other one. We have some pepperoni, which I'm going to put down at the bottom. And I'm going to put all of our dressings back because we do eat those quite a bit. My husband has a lot of condiments, which is good because then to the back because we don't drink syrup as much as you would think we do. And I use these relishes for exactly, so we're gonna make sure this time they don't spill. Amazing snacks, so good. I definitely recommend. Pizza sauce. Alright, now we can bring in the new groceries. First and foremost, we have pulled pork my husband bought, and I'm just going to put it in here because we'll probably eat it within the next couple of days. I grabbed some mushrooms because I wanted to make a mushroom pasta sauce. My husband grabbed snap peas because he's obsessed with these. Cucumber. I feel like you can never have too many cucumbers. You know. I try to eat a cucumber daily. And then another favorite that we have is classic hummus. We use that for our Mediterranean wraps, as well as when my friend comes over, I'll try to make like a platter as lunch for us all, because she usually just feeds us pizza, pasta, what was the other thing? Tuna salad, right?
Yeah, it's usually like pesto pasta or pizza.
Yeah, so pesto pasta or pizza is usually
Or
what
pasta.
she feeds us, and so my husband and I try to feed her other things and remind her that there's more than just pizza and pasta, which we're very grateful for her for feeding us. But you probably know eating pizza and pasta every Thursday can get really, really boring very quickly. And it's something we're not willing to deal with. This can go. You're gone. You're good. This needs to go too, by the way. We got some lemons. My husband and I, we cook a lot. And we also like to freeze lemon juice in case we run out and we don't have access to a store. So my husband is probably gonna juice this probably within the next.
Don't put the lemons in the fridge. Just leave them out. I'm gonna juice them either tonight or
Oh,
tomorrow.
apparently he's juicing them tonight or tomorrow morning. So probably tomorrow morning because we have so much to do tonight. I love making vegetable stock. I have a bunch frozen, and I think I'm gonna make some pasta noodle soup tomorrow, and I'm gonna add some fresh celery as well as do an egg salad or a tuna salad with rice for tomorrow evening. These foods that we buy are mainly for migraine days. So if I don't have a migraine, we try not to touch it just because it's really for those days when I just can't do anything with my life. So that's why that's there. We got some bell peppers. I'm assuming these are going either in my husband's stew or we're doing stuffed bell peppers, which either is good. I enjoy both, but this bag's about to break, so I'm gonna bust these out. We have some Swiss cheese that my husband bought. So I'm gonna throw that in there. Okay, and I believe that's it for. Yeah, that's it for our fridge.